Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to add page numbers in document Word. So first, you're gonna press the insert tab and then the page number in header and footer. So here you can see multiple choices. So it's up to you what you're going to choose. So for example, I'm gonna choose this style. Bold number is 2. And here you can edit it of numbers you like. Example 2, page 1 of 2, page 1 of 4. So in order to close these headers, you're going to click the close header and footer close. So there you go. Now we have inserted a page number. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.